Okay, unboxing Nixeus EDG34S. Just got it in the mail. Oh, it's okay. Front of the box, back of the box, inside of the box. Very delicate. It's a process. I'm glad I didn't cut deep because there's like cables right here. Or is that? That's the stand. Never mind. Ooh la la. There's the cable. So DisplayPort, power. Another piece, I guess that's it's like the piece that I'm supposed to break by trying to mess with it. It's just for the headphones or whatever, which I won't be doing that. Putting my headphones behind my monitor is not gonna happen. This is exactly how you're supposed to do it. So, hater comments. Oh my God, there's friggin' like dirt on my screen now. Come on. It's supposed to be brand new. No smudges. So yeah, that's crazy. You've never had a curved monitor. Pretty different. There's like screws and stuff I have to do. So I tried to buy the Biotech one, and they were out of stock, even though they let me spend $500 on it, and I had to wait 7 business days to get my refund because they were out of stock. And I just waited a couple weeks and I said screw it, and got this one on Amazon. It's another, I think it's $100 more expensive than the Biotech, but it's like the same panel. I went with Nixeus because I guess they've been making monitors and keyboards and mice for a while, and Biotech is more of a new company. So yeah, at least to my knowledge, I could have it, you know, vice versa. Biotech could have been one of the original creators of gaming monitors or something. I don't friggin' know. But I'm pretty sure that these are Samsung panels. Like all these 34-inch 144p. I think they're all kind of like the same deal. What are these brackets? Up, down. Oh, I think this is for to go on the inside of the back of the monitor. I actually have another DisplayPort cable. Have a wall mount for my 40-inch 4K, which I'm going to put above this. And then I have a DisplayPort 1.4 cable that I'm going to use to make sure that I get 144 hertz 10-bit or whatever's. It's probably the same. This is probably the same exact cable. I don't know, but it says DisplayPort. Doesn't matter. Get off, dirt. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together. I guess it's just an unboxing video. There's my 4K 40-inch. What's a 39.5 AMH. It's a Korean panel. I've had it for almost 5 years now. That's a 27-inch 1440p, and then there's the actual computer on a toolbox. So yeah, and there's some trash on the ground. Okay, I'm gonna put it together, and hopefully it's gonna be badass. No dead pixels, come on.